you have these notes separated by a few intervals, and it sounds in consonance, but then it's in dissonance. And I found that intriguing. Yeah.
So as technical as it is, it's very creative as well.
What determines, because although there's an infinite amount of different ways we can play the instruments, there's a finite amount of established.
When you study quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between electrons and photons, what you see is something extraordinary. You see a lot of sociology.
And also an interdisciplinary approach to